Hello everyone, it's Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this HAMITOR toilet brush. So I just took everything out of the box. You do have to put it together. So there's what that looks like. So you're simply going to take this handle and you're just going to thread it on there. All right, looks really good. Now I can set it in there like that. I like that it sits and doesn't sit on the bottom. It actually is suspended in there. Now on the handle, we also have a hook. So if you want to hook it, you can, or you can just push this down in there to where you don't have to. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Okay, let's measure it real quick. Right at about 15 inches. Okay, so I like that you can kind of turn it so you don't really see what it is, but you pull it out the back. And then it does clean, you know, I can get, look how I can get down in there like that. That's pretty neat. I can get up underneath the rim. Yeah, this is a pretty good toilet brush. It's got like a flat surface too. Yeah, it makes cleaning the toilet very easy. Then when I'm done, just bring it over here. Just kind of slide it in, set it down. It's suspended. Yeah, that makes it nice. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.